What's good? What's good, everyone? Good morning. Good morning. Welcome back to another week, another Monday with your boy Moo Moo Trades. Hope everyone had a great weekend. We're gonna make this a great trading week as well. Market just opened. We had a strong move down on the overnight. A lot of sideways. Slight push up now above the 21-day EMA. So we'll see what today has in store. Hope everyone is gonna do good today. Let's do it, baby. Let's do it. No real news supposed to come out today. We did have the FOMC announcement at the end of last week that led to some strong movement up. So who knows? Last week, the week before that, and the week before that, all were very, very bullish for the market. Will this week continue the trend? That is the question. That is the $1 million question. We'll have to wait and find out, but we got to focus on only taking the great setups. Tried to force a few setups last week. Didn't go too well. It's always tough when you're trying to come back to the live streaming game, and your trades are bound to be a little bit different. Yeah, medium impact news. Yeah, I saw that. Some home sale news in about 25 minutes. I don't know if it'll really affect the market, but we'll see, man. We'll see, my man Johnny. Here's Johnny. Let's go. I know, because Johnny's in here, we're gonna do good today. We're gonna have a solid trading day. Honestly, I gotta just stop overthinking and honestly just be more patient. That was my issue the last couple of weeks. Just trying to take setups when they weren't there. Sometimes if the market's slow, there's just no reason to take trades. It's as simple as that. Easier said than done, obviously, but no need to force anything. Wait for the great setups. They'll come. Maybe 1 or 2 a day. That's it. That's all you need. All we need, man. It's all we need. So let's get that. Just be patient. Great signal bars. Taking trades on the correct side of the EMA. Those are honestly 2 of the biggest factors for me. Sometimes I'll just try to bend the rules a little bit, but as long as I stick to my rules and actually take setups that I normally take, so failed breakouts out of ranges, 2-legged pullbacks, with trend trades, and only reversals if we're expecting a reversal, but always paying attention to the overall market context. And then obviously, like I said, just good signal bars, and I should be set. I should be set with just following those principles, those simple principles that I always have in place, and obviously not ignoring any trend, no matter how short term, that prints on the chart, because every bar that prints is always telling you something. It's all language. Everything is there for a reason. So right now, we had the strong move down, but something's off because prices are telling us that looks like we just might be creeping up. So for now, we're above the EMA. If we come back to the bottom side of this trend channel again, might be worth seeing if we can get a trade, or at least potential potential trade, but only looking for those great setups as always. But now getting a little stagnant, so who knows, Johnny? Maybe at that home sale announcement, we'll get some action. What do you think about that? What do you think about that, man? Okay, we're getting a technical, or technically we're getting a second entry long right here, but as we can see, bars are just very stacked, pretty congested. Doesn't actually look like two legs back. It just looks like sideways movement. So no trade here. So let's see if we get a failed breakout. If we break out the bottom side, might be worth taking a little failed breakout of the bottom. But till we do so, not really anything I'm interested in. All right, so there's a breakout the bottom side. How do we react? Let's see. Looks like we're maybe having a little stronger push down than we expected. And there it is. So yeah, a lot of longs probably got trapped right here, which is why we're having this nice move down. So obviously, with any trend, you don't expect just to move straight down and then straight up, or straight up then straight down. We expect to test the extreme. So obviously we had the move down, a couple legs up, it looks like. So target for me is the low of the day, 52.72.5. So let's see if we get there. Maybe, just maybe, we got a downtrend like that, but for now, very, very early to have that. I'm gonna get rid of that move up too, because to me it looks like sideways, another leg up, sideways. Now we're having a leg down. So if anything, let's see if we have a measured leg. So like from the bottom, the low, to this first swing high, and then the next leg up. Basically two measured legs. So if we Get a couple arrows. Boom, boom. Essentially 2 legs back up. And could be time to start pushing lower. Is it time for the hoodie? Is it time for Hoodie Moo Moo to come out? I don't know. I don't know. Not yet. Not yet. But my hair grows back so long, man. I need another cut. I need another cut soon. I'm actually leaving to Serbia. I'm going to Serbia tomorrow. I'm going to compete in the World Cross Country Championship. That is Saturday. Saturday the 30th. I'm going to go against the best of the best runners in the world. The Kenyans, the Ethiopians, Ugandans. Should be good. Should be a good showing. But I've been training very hard for that race. It's the last cross-country race of the season. I'm going to go represent Lebanon against all the other top 6 runners from the different countries. But it's going to be a lot of runners, a lot of really good runners, national record holders, world record holders are going to be there. And your boy Mumu is going to kick some ass too. All right. Where could we be headed? Just zooming out to see. And let's look at the daily. So this chart, this is the 10,000 tick chart. This one is our range chart that we dabbled with. I'm gonna get rid of that one. Here's the daily. What a trend. What a trend. What a trend, man. So I have no idea where we're at. I mean, the next low of the day that we could be looking at is just from the 20th, about 52.32. So that is right here, 52.32. But we got a long way to go if we're gonna get there. But right now, everything just looks sideways, a little congested, range-like, to be honest. So maybe we'll slowly work our way down to the lows of the day and then start pushing higher. We'll see. News 15 minutes from now. Okay. Where will we go? Actually, no, I'm not even gonna get into that mindset. Last week I was like too eager to take a trade. I was like, come on, let's get a trade. Come on, hurry up. It's the wrong mindset to have. Even if I was joking around, it's the wrong mindset to have. I just gotta be patient and be okay with nothing happening. You know what? It's better to not force a trade than to try to pull the trigger every few minutes. We're only 15 minutes into the market. We got time. We got time on time, man. I gotta chill. And just an update on the accounts that we're trading. So the PA account, we're about 500 in the red. The account's at about 49.5. We started another eval account that I've actually been trading off stream that I'm $500 to passing. So that's about 52.5. And then 2 other of the accounts, the eval accounts, are only about $600 before they're gonna be blown. So a couple of these accounts are at a big danger of being blown, but just the evals. Once again, the PA, we're about 500 in the red, and then another eval, we're about 500 until we pass. Okay. So yeah, looks like we're getting a lot of support. Still not convinced we're really gonna have any strong push up, but the market does what the market wants. But honestly, like, not a very nice looking structure. I mean, if we get rid of all these drawings, we're making lower lows, lower highs, obviously. So like any significant time we pushed above the EMA, we've been rejected. So the bias is to the downside, but as we can see, we also just got a range-like structure going on. Range-like structure going on right now. So, maybe in that new home sale news, we can get an injection of some momentum, injection of pace in the market. We'll see. We'll see. But I'm thinking we will have one more push down. One more push down, take out the lows of the day, then maybe we rally up. That's what I'm looking for. That's my bias. All right, we're pushing up. We're pushing up. Oh yeah, Roger. I mean, look, market opened right around here. Even before that, we're just going up, sideways. So like up, sideways, down, sideways, up. It's a lot of up and down, and overall, it just leads to some sideways movement. All right, looks like we're trying to get to 52.82 to take out these highs. Then we might push back lower. Then we might still have another push up. We'll see. Okay, and just as we thought, broke out above this area, 52.82. Honestly, might be time to start looking for a potential short, but I'm not just gonna ignore this leg up either. So ideally, I'd like to see some more, honestly, some more sideways movement, just showing that we have significant resistance here. Break of this push up, maybe one more test, and then could get a setup to the downside. Okay. Here's that push down. Here's that slight break we were looking for. So yeah, I mean, some interesting price action going on. Interesting price action going on for sure. The structure resembles a start of a reversal, but at the same time, it doesn't, because you do look for a reversal. You want to see some sustained follow through to the upside. We're not really getting that. We're just getting some sideways and a lot of rejection at key levels. It just signals to me we still have maybe some unfinished business to the downside. Unfinished business. I love it. I love it. All right. Okay, so we're getting a lower high. Not really looking for any setup yet. I want to see some more things play out. Now we're just waiting. We're just being patient. Okay. Here we go. All right. So here's a potential trade, lower high, to get back into this range, but like I said, I'm not really looking for a setup yet. I want to see one more push up and take out the high of this move up, because market doesn't really usually move straight up and then straight down. So here, we might be getting a second entry long, but we'll have to see how it plays out. We'll see how it plays out. All right, here's that potential second entry long. So one small leg down first, second entry long. But I don't know if I'd like to take this trade, to be honest. You're going long right into these highs. I'm not really expecting a significant push up, so we'll see where we go. We'll see where we go. All right, so here's that push up. Ideally, like I said, we take out 5282.5, and then I'm looking for prices to work lower. But here's that. I mean, we just basically turned to 10 a.m. Eastern, 7 Pacific. So, I mean, that home sales news just came out. So, I mean, as expected, didn't really impact the market too much. But we'll see how we react now. Prices are just getting a little stacked. But this is what I want to see. I want to see us have the move up, break, some congestion, maybe one more push up, and then still looking for prices to maybe take out the low of the day. Still looking for prices to do that. Low probability environment. As your accountability buddy, I advise a no trade day, at least not for the AM session. Check back around 1 to 2 p.m. for pivots. Honestly, you might be right. I mean, I'm basically at the point where I'm not even looking for a trade unless we get something significant. But yeah, I mean, yeah, whenever we have very slow movement in the first 30 minutes or so, oftentimes, yeah, it is better just to come back for the PM session and take a break in between. So we'll see if we have a high probability setup. Yeah, the Mondays are always, not always, but a lot of the Mondays turn out like this. And honestly, I've been going back through my trading for the past several months, and it might not be a bad idea just to take like one trade a day, to be honest. One trade a day, Keep the doctor away. That's true, yeah. Yeah, I gotta be okay with not trading certain days. 100%, 100%. Johnny, you always know best, man. You always know best. You're a genius. I still like at least looking for the setups. It's a good practice. It's a good practice, man. Everything's good practice when you spend time in front of the screen. Yeah, exactly. Because I do fall into the trap where even if I'm just watching the market and I know that I shouldn't take a setup, a lot of times I do get impulsive. So that's on top of just taking the setups that I know I need to take and follow my strategy, just controlling that impulsiveness is probably my other biggest thing that I just need to stop doing. Just no impulsive trades and just allowing things to marinate, just allowing the setups to present themselves. But right now, yeah, I'm not in an impulsive state. I know myself right now. I'm not even looking for a setup. I am looking for a setup if we either get to the high of this range or we take out the lows. So I'm not looking bar by bar right now. I'm really not interested in anything going on right now because sometimes, yeah, I'll like look at every single bar and maybe even here, look, oh, triple top here, first, second entry long, not a bad setup. You know what? Let's buy it. But really, the correct mindset is to just say, you know what? If we break above 52.82, or if we come out take the low of the day, then I might want to look for a setup. But Mr. John Capra, he was a little aggressive. He took some bounces off that high of the range. Oh, he's expecting a nice move down here. Did you just go for some quick scalps? Yeah, definitely. Exactly, Johnny. Hey, if no, I mean, if someone comes with a bag of free money, I'm gonna take it. I'm not looking for the money, but hey, it's there. It's there for the taking. If it's there for taking, I'm gonna take it. All right. So now I'm starting to get a little interested. Having a nice push up. Let's see if we can break above 82.5. All right, and there we go. So now, had the nice strong move up, a lot of congestion. We got the breakout. Where do prices go now? Where do we go? Honestly, this looks like a nice push up. Looks like a nice push up. Yeah, I'm not thinking about selling just yet. We have a few nice bullish bars. Still not too interested in a trade right now. All right. And yeah, so this looks like a sustained move up now. We maybe need to look out for a wider trend, but not yet. But let's see what I mean, this is the 10K tick chart. I want to see what a blank chart shows us just without any drawings. So yeah, looks like we might be starting a nice leg up. I think we test 52.95 to 53.02 before the day ends. Yeah, I mean, if we are going to continue a move up, I'd say 52.95 is definitely the first target. And then, yeah, maybe this swing high up here, 52.03. Yeah, I'm with you. Looks like it might be time for that strong push up. So, man, when I was joking around, I was like, you know what? Maybe I should just take this second entry long right here. That would have been the trade. That would have been the trade to take. It was just really stacked and congested. So, yeah, we had this nice significant move up, but yeah, I mean, that was a hard trade to take right there. I did joke about it. I will say that. All right. NQ had a little cleaner price action. All right, let's pull up the NQ. Yeah, that was, I mean, looking back on the chart, nice signal bar. It's a higher low after a couple legs down. But once again, you'd be going long right into the highs, right into this congestion. So I in the moment, I definitely wasn't going to take that trade. It's easy to look back and say, oh man, I should have taken that trade. But in the moment, nah, I was never going to take that. I got you. Yeah, it wasn't too clear we were gonna reverse because, like I said, when we had this leg up, I wanted to see one more test at the high. We didn't get that. I mean, we did get that eventually now, but I wanted to see it happen relatively quickly and then maybe have another move to the downside. But right now, we're just pushing higher. I'll be back in a couple minutes here. Gotta go take care of some business, if you know what I mean. Couple minutes. Okay, we back. 2 minutes. 2 minutes, like I said. 2 minutes. I'm quick. Alright, and now, do we have a measured move? One leg. Not quite. But, I mean, visually, it looks like 2 clear legs up. This is the NQ 2000 tick chart. It looks very, very similar to the ES. Except, yeah, so here we had leg down, break, another strong leg down, and we just reverse back up. I mean, I'm going to get rid of this chart, but interesting. Interesting stuff. Interesting stuff going on all over. All right. So we're having a slight push down. Still hovering above that EMA. Still no great high probability setups. So now we just wait. We wait. We're going to stay patient, obviously. And we'll see what the market gives us. All right. Where are we going, man? Still nothing. Still nothing. All right. Now we had to push up. So, I mean, let's draw our trend for the second leg up. Same scenario that we would expect. So, one leg up, two legs up, break, new high. Do we have a wider trend? Maybe. Maybe we got a wider trend going. So we'll see. Maybe we have another test at the EMA. And from there on, we're gonna analyze everything. Everything going on. Everything going on. We use to our advantage. We use it as pieces of information to help us build a bigger picture. That's how we do it. All right. But yeah, Johnny, I don't know if it's even worth taking a trade in the morning session right now. I mean, we're just crawling. We're going so slow right now. Maybe we'll get something, but I'm not too confident that we will. So we'll wait and see what the market gives us. YM still bearish. What's YM? What's YM, bruh? But yeah, no clear direction right now. Oh, yeah. But I mean, I don't know. I don't know if the Dow is really the reason for everything going on in all the rest of the markets, but maybe. I mean, we'll see, man. Well, there's so many things to there's so many things to analyze right now. It's not even worth it just trying to make sense of all the confusion. It's just like we gotta just wait. We gotta just wait. We gotta just wait and maybe we'll get something glaring that we can pounce on. But until then, it's all good. It's all good, man. Yeah, I know. I know. That's why we are sitting out. That's why we're not doing anything. No, obviously, I mean, I'm not sitting out. I'm just there's nothing presentable yet, so I don't even see any setup. But if you guys are watching and you wouldn't mind hitting the like button. There's nothing going on this in the market right now, but maybe if we all hit the like button, then we'll start getting some strong movement, some momentum. Send those good vibes. So hit the like button. That wasn't a joke. There we go. We got one more like. That's what I like to see. We went from 6 to 7 likes. Hell yeah. Let's go. Beautiful. Okay. Honestly, let's expand this range. Basically at the midline. Once again, 1, 2 legs up. Maybe we get a lower high. We'll see. All right. So now we push below the EMA. If I draw a box around the 6 to 10 a.m. price level, you can use a break of that box to get an idea of bias. All right, I'll keep an eye. I'll keep an eye out, man. But you're talking Eastern time, yeah? So your time, my time 3 to 7. So yeah, basically right around here to where we're at. Right there. I mean, that's basically the range that we had previously. This is basically that. All right. So we had strong leg down first. See if we get one more attempt to go higher. Maybe we get a reversal set up. Johnny, you're funny, man. You're saying every possibility that we could see, which you I don't even know how to explain it. Basically, anything can happen. That's to sum it up. Anything can happen right now. Anything can happen. We could go up or we could go down. We'll see. We can go up or down. Breaking news. Breaking news. No one knows what's going on right now. Johnny Soko has solved the puzzle. We can either keep going up to the high of the day, or we could go to the low of the day. And then from there, we could either keep going lower or keep going higher. And the same is true for any other instrument you're trading. Basically, I'm just trying to see if this move up is any sort of wider trend. It's tough to fit any trend channel. But I don't think we're just going down yet. I think we might trap some shorts. All right, so we can get a higher low here. So basically, we had this leg down. Technically, we had 2 attempts to go higher. We had 1 attempt here, failed. Here's our second attempt. If we get a higher low, nice looking signal bar above the EMA, could be time for our first long setup of the day. We'll see. But I want to see prices break below the bar that just printed, just like that. So now, officially, we have a second entry long failure. So 2 failed attempts to go higher. We're right at the previous resistance area. We just got to see where prices go now. But it's also kind of resembling a breakout pullback to this range. I mean, if we expand this, might be time for a push up. Might be time. Might be time. Let's see. I want to see us close above the EMA. Just like that. So leg down, slight break, new low, higher low. bouncing off the previous highs of this range we had to start off the day. Let's see if we can have some follow through here. I want to see us close near the top of the signal bar, at least above the EMA. If we break above the bar, I might join you on that long. You're what hurts. I might join you. But we're getting a little stagnant right now. Let's see if we break above. Let's see if we break above right here. These bars are taking long to print, just not a ton of volume right now. If you look at the tick counter at the bottom right corner down here, not a lot of transactions going on right now. Come on now. Come on now. Yeah, so it doesn't look like we're going to get that set up. It's all good. It's all good in the hood, man. It's all good in the hood, bruh. Shit. All right. We're still going to wait. We're still going to wait and be patient. If we don't take a trade all day, that's fine. That's fine, man. No worries. Okay, maybe we'll get one more bounce. Maybe we'll get one more push up here. Got another touch at 81.50. Let's see. Let's see. Still no. Still no. All right, your what hurts. Where's your stop loss in case we go down? Where's your stop loss? Looks like we might be headed down. We might. I don't know yet. I don't know. We'll see. I feel like if we take out 50 to 80.75, basically where we're at right now, could open the floodgates. We'll see. You're about to guess the same thing. Stop loss 5278.25. So right below here. All right, well, hopefully we hold. Hopefully we hold, man. We might, honestly, we might push up right here. We'll see. We'll see. Got this leg down. Clear break, new low. If we strongly have a push up above the EMA with another higher low, I might have to join you on the long setup. I might have to do it. You got the 10 range chart. I mean, you were telling me about that last week, yeah? Maybe. I don't know. You might get bailed out. You might get bailed out. But now that I expand this this little downtrend, looks like we might be headed lower. We'll see. We'll see, man. Yeah, each bar that prints is 10 ticks. Okay, okay. Man, this whole price action for the day looks like a range bar, man. So we'll see, man. We'll see. Are you still in the trade? You still in the trade? You holding strong? No, I know, but maybe he went out at break even. Still in, still in. All right, do or die. Okay, let's go. Let's go. All right, if we get a higher low here, I might have to join you boys. I might have to join you guys. But clear, leg down, break, new low. We're at once again previous resistance. We get a strong push above the EMA. I might have to go long as well. Not yet, not yet. Higher time frame downtrend. I mean, let's see. This is the 10K tick chart. Honestly, looks like we're trending higher. Looks like we're starting to go higher. I mean, making higher lows. Looks like we're honestly doing the same thing here. So could be time. Could be time for that move. Could be time for that move. All right, here we go. Here we go. Gonzalo, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás, mi amigo? Okay, and quick mini announcement. So, what I will try to start doing is I'm gonna try to start taking way less trades in a day. Honestly, like, it'll probably come out to maybe one trade a day on average, and that means a lot of days I might not take a trade, but just from logging all my trades, where I make the most profit is whenever I have a risk, based off of just entering one tick behind the close of the signal bar and putting my stop loss one tick below it. So based on that, my most optimal amount of risk is avoiding any trades that are lower than a 2-point risk and only taking trades that are between a 2.75 point risk, 2.75, so 2 3/4 points, to 3 and 3/4 points. So basically, if I just focus on those trades, I would only be averaging, honestly, less than one trade a day. So I'm gonna start only focusing on those and just upping the contract. So I might just take those trades with more contracts than I typically do, because those ones I'm just better at those trades. I'm just better at those trades. It'll help the mindset. So at least for a little bit, I'm gonna try that out and see how it goes. It'll save me a lot of grief. All right, looks like we might have that move up, man. We might have it. So where's your take profit? 94. Oh, so your take profit's basically up here. All right, let's see how it goes, baby. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's make that push up. Come on. Let's go. Higher low, maybe incoming. Higher low might be on the horizon. Okay. Do we have a failed second entry short here? Might not be a bad setup, I should say. Let's see. How do we close here? Not gonna take it. Not gonna tank it. It's all good, Gonzalo. Especially, I mean, on a day like today, there really is no trend. So it's tough to tell where the trend is, but most likely we're gonna start pushing higher. First target for me is 87.50. We got your what hurts. His target is this high, 94. So we'll see if we can push up there. We shall see. We shall see, mate. Okay, let's see if we get this new high. I think we're bound to. I think we're bound to at least get to 87.50 and then probably get into the high of the range. We'll see. Even in short-term trends like the one right now, you want to sell instead of buying, and you blew up a lot of evals because of counter-trend trading. I mean, it's tough, man. That's the journey of a day trader. We all go through it. I'm the same way. Like, maybe, I don't know if this is your issue, but a lot of the times, I mean, if you're someone who draws these trends, maybe just have a rule where once you draw a trend, you leave it and you're not allowed to remove it. So here, I mean, I had this trend channel originally drawn. I took it out. Now I put it back. But I should probably just leave it and stop playing with it, just to at least give myself a potential target that I was biased to when I originally saw it. Like how when you're taking a test, a multiple choice test growing up, like your first answer is probably always your best one. So here, the first trend I put was like this. It's probably gonna be my best chance at success just to leave it on there, because my first initial reading was that this is a trend, couple legs down, break, we should expect a new high. All right, we're gonna get another high or low here. That's the question. Another high low. Another high low, man. Another high or low. Let's go. Let's go. All right, so counting from this low, we had one push up first, second entry short, failure, because we pushed back up. If we get another higher low here, could be a good setup. Could be a good setup, baby. But once again, what I'm gonna do, I've been even during this stream. I've been playing away with Excel to really analyze the last like 4 or 5 months of my trading, and I really have a big difference when I only focus on actually the slightly higher risk bars. So for me, probably the best thing to do is just focus on those higher risk bars, and it'll limit the amount of trades that I take in a day. So here, I'm only looking to take a setup if it's above a 2.5 point risk. Okay, man. We got 25 viewers in here. We got 11 likes. I know we can get 14 more likes up in here. We can do it. Let's get 14 more likes. Who's gonna help your boy out? And we still got 11 likes. Wow, guys. I see how it is. I see how it is. You're what hurts. Are you? Yeah, you're still in it. You're still in it. But you never brought it to break even +2, did you? Oh, you have break even +2. Okay, okay. Hey, at least I mean you're safe. You're safe for the most part. I think we're bound to have that push up. Let's do it, man. It's time. It's time. They've been making us wait too long. They've been making you wait too long. ERP. Good morning. How's your trading going right now? Any trades today? Any trades? I don't see any setups right now. But my bias is to the upside. My bias is to the upside for now. But to me, it looks like we had this okay trend up, break, trying to get to that new high still. $400 in the green? Damn! You a beast! Where'd you go? Where'd you take a trade? double bottom back here. Like what time? What time was it? $6.45. Okay, right, yeah, right down here. Solid trade, trade. I see you. I still think we're trying to make one more push, at least to 87.50, at least to this high up here. Clenching your butt cheeks. I got you. I mean, to be honest, we've been going sideways, so if you do get out for break even, it'll probably, I mean, that's what makes the most sense to me, honestly. But hey, you're still in it, right? You're still in it? 5282.5. Right below here. Okay. We'll see. You got a few more ticks. One more. But hey, you might hold here. We might honestly have a first, second entry long failure double trap. We'll see. Yeah, this could be a nice double trap here. Okay. We got any new viewers in here? First time watching Moo Trades? Let me know. You picked a great day with a lot of action to do so. Oh, Cornelio, that's a hard question. But basically, it's been a long journey, man. We have a grand total of 0 in payouts. So on stream, several months ago, we could have taken about a $30,000 payout. If I remember correctly, we had 10 accounts at about 3,000 in profit. And for the stream, I wanted to keep the account and grow the balance, and ended up blowing all of those accounts. So we've been building back very, very slowly since then. Hold up on that thought. I might get a little short setup right here. Are we gonna get a little short setup? But the goal, you know the goal, Cornelio. It's in the title. But I've been on a long journey since then. We just changed our trading method. So before we were doing 1 point scalps, just going for 1 point, but now I'm going for a little bit, actually a lot different target profit. So I'm going for break even plus 2 points, or 1-to-1 plus 2 points. So if I take a trade with a 3-point risk, I go for a 5-point target profit. If I go for 4-point risk, I go for a 6-point target profit. So very, very different trading style. We just started that about 2 weeks ago. So that method, we'll see how long it takes me to get a payout. We'll see. But I'm live streaming the journey. The ups and the downs, the bad and the good, the beautiful and the ugly. Yeah, no. It's a psychological battle, man. Yeah, I've been close to payouts a lot of times. On stream and off stream. But really, I gotta focus on my new method, and we should get there soon. We should get there, but little by little. Is this your first time watching the stream, Cornelio. We got 30 viewers now. I know some of you, it's your first time. Let me know. Don't be afraid to drop a comment, introduce yourselves. We got people from all over. We got people from everywhere. But welcome in if it is your first time. No trades today yet. No real great movement. You're what hurts. Going long again. Okay. Will it work out this time? We'll see. I do think we're gonna at least get up to 87.50. 87.50. Payouts. First time in here, welcome in, man. Is it I shouldn't say is it. Where are you from? Faiz? Oh, you've watched me for a few months. Okay. I appreciate you. Cornelio. Well, we're back for a long time. Singapore. Okay, man, you got the money. You got man, can you let us borrow some of your dollars? But welcome in, bro. Yes, sir. It's actually, so tomorrow it's going to be my last day streaming, at least for this week, because I'm traveling. I said earlier in the stream, so I'm going tomorrow night to Serbia because I have a race out there. I'm a cross-country runner and a track runner, but I'm going to the World Championship for cross-country. I'm going to go against some of the big guns, the best runners in the world. So if you guys want to catch me in that race, World Championships, cross-country World Championships, it'll be live streamed on the 30th, on Saturday. So I'll be traveling, no live streaming after tomorrow, but I'll be there tomorrow. I'll live stream tomorrow. But gotta focus on the race, going across the world. But man, what is this market, bro? Really just looks like a range. Where's your stop now? Your what hurts? Your what hurts? Where's that stop now? Is it down here? 79.50 or even lower? $52.82. Okay. Oh, you're right down here. 52.82, man. Okay. Fingers crossed we don't get down there, but I think we might do it. All right, but hopefully we don't. But to me, it looks like we're just in the middle of this congestion. So could have one more push to take out this low right here, 79.75. But I'm still also looking for us to take out the high of this move. But no clear direction yet. Okay. Hey, you're surviving. You're surviving for now. All right, but I think I'm gonna end the stream there. I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna take a little break, get some fresh air, go for a little walk, and we'll be back tomorrow morning. You're what hurts. Good luck in that trade. If you guys want to like the video on the way out, and quick final announcement, Apex 80% off. How many days you guys have left? 2 days left. So Apex, 2 days left to get these 80% off evals and 1 day to pass the eval. So take advantage if you would like. Code KEYOWXVY. My link to get the accounts is in the description, but peace out.